Aer Lingus is Ireland's national carrier and one of the first operators of the brand new Airbus A321XLR, a narrow-body, single-aisle aircraft built for long-haul flights. In this video, I'll fly business class on this revolutionary new jet from Edinburgh to Dublin, to put it to the test and decide if I think the XLR is the future of long-haul travel. I'll check out the economy cabin as well, and explain why I think this is one of the best that you'll find on a single-aisle aircraft. There's a lot to get through today, so welcome to Mac Aviation, and let's go flying. So hello and good morning from Edinburgh Airport, about a 20-minute drive from the Scottish capital. It's good to see Edinburgh now has the new CT baggage scanners, meaning I could leave everything in my bag at security. With that said, I didn't really notice any shorter queues. It still took about 45 minutes to get through, so make sure you arrive with plenty of time before your flight, especially during the busier summer months. I quickly passed through duty free and made my way into the departure lounge. It's a reasonably large terminal, so there's a vast variety of cafes, restaurants and shops. There's also a lot of seating with some excellent apron views, so I sat watching the movements during the morning rush and eventually saw my aircraft touch down from Dublin. Aer Lingus' first Airbus A321XLR, which was delivered brand new in December of 2024. Given the name Leiden and the apt registration of EI-XLR. So let's get on board. Welcome on board Aer Lingus' brand new Airbus A321XLR. I found my seat in business class, 5K, and got ready for departure from runway 24 to Edinburgh. Enjoy.
Either in the centre or side console, please familiarise yourself with this location now. Finally,
Aer Lingus took delivery of their first A321XLR in December 2024, this one I'm on today, and due to increased demand, the type has been flying between Edinburgh and Dublin, which gave me the perfect opportunity to jump on board. The XLR is ideal for airlines like Aer Lingus, as it's allowing them to fly to smaller airports in the US on routes with less demand. Iberia, the Spanish national carrier, has also purchased some XLRs and is now flying them to a select few destinations in the Americas. The XLR has a range of just under 5,000 nautical miles, meaning it can fly for more than 10 hours without refueling, due to the extra fuel tank which is located in the fuselage itself, giving an extra capacity of just under 13,000 litres. But the design isn't as simple as it seems. Many aspects of the original A321neo had to be redesigned to cope with this extra fuel tank, such as reinforcing the landing gear due to the greater maximum takeoff weight. And while there have been some certification issues, the XLR is now cleared to operate worldwide. So Aer Lingus have configured it like any other long-haul aircraft, with more legroom and personal entertainment screens, but more on that later in the video. While I paid extra to sit in the business class cabin, it's still sold as an economy seat, meaning there's no special meal service like you get when flying business on this aircraft on a long-haul flight. That said, I grabbed a Coke Zero during the food service and enjoy the views outside. Notably, if you are flying the 321 on a shorter route like this, you can still expect to be served before the economy passengers. The business class cabin on the XLR is configured in an unusual but brilliant layout. Rows 2, 4 and 6 have a 2 aisle 2 configuration, while rows 3 and 5 offer a single 1 aisle 1 layout, giving a total of 16 seats. This makes the cabin ideal for both couples and solo travellers, while still providing an excellent amount of privacy. Personally, I think this is a much better design than a lot of the other business cabins you'll find on other carriers, but let me know what you think in the comments section below. Another reason why this cabin is so good is that the seat position is highly adaptable, with a footrest, recline and fully lie-flat bed, as well as a massage function which is actually really good. The lie-flat recline gives you a 6 foot 5 inch long bed, making it perfectly comfortable for an overnight flight. The seat is 22 inches wide in business, compared to a fairly standard 18 inch width in economy. If you're in business class, legroom won't be an issue either, with a generous 47 inch seat pitch. You'll also find USB-A and USB-C charging ports, as well as a universal power outlet at your seat, which will come in very handy on a longer flight. There are also a number of storage compartments around the seat, as well as a literature pocket and 60% larger overhead lockers, one very noticeable feature of the XLR. The in-flight entertainment system is excellent, with over 120 hours of content to watch on a 4K, ultra-high definition 18-inch touchscreen, which I found really responsive. The Panasonic Arc map system was also great, allowing you to see exactly where you are and how much longer until you land. In addition, you can use the onboard Wi-Fi just after takeoff, which isn't too overpriced. Aer Lingus also promised a diverse menu in their business class cabin on long-haul flights, meaning you're spoiled for choice. In business class, you'll also be given an amenity kit for long-haul flights, containing items such as an eye mask, dental kit, socks and earplugs, not to mention a pillow and blanket to get more comfortable. One thing I like about these business seats is that they offer a nice amount of privacy compared to what you find in some other cabins, like the British Airways A380, where some of the seats face outwards towards the aisle. As far as business class goes, I'd say the Aer Lingus cabin is definitely one of the best. Now business class is brilliant, but let's take a look at the economy cabin too. In economy class, you'll find 168 Recaro seats in the standard 3-aisle 3 layout. You'll get a 31-inch seat pitch as a standard seat, which is the same as you'd find on Aer Lingus' twin-aisle Airbus A330s. Extra legroom seats are also available at rows 14 and 15 at the overwing exits and at row 7 at the bulkhead. Each seat has a 3-inch recline, 6-way adjustable leather headrest, and pillows and blankets are also provided on the long-haul flights. Like in business class, each economy seat has both individual USB-A and USB-C charging ports, and there's a shared universal power outlet at every row. Each seat also has a 12-inch personal entertainment screen with the same vast content variety as business class. Another great feature is that you can connect your Bluetooth headphones to the IFE, which is really useful. These A321neos have 4 toilets, 1 up front and 3 at the back. They were a fairly standard size, which isn't ideal for a long haul flight, but they were importantly kept looking fresh and well maintained. It wasn't long at all until we began our descent in Dublin. Keep watching to the end of the video to hear what I think of the XLR as the future of long haul air travel. Welcome to Dublin. While I only had a short flight stay, I couldn't be more impressed with the service Aer Lingus are offering on the A321XLR. While many people have reservations about spending several hours on a single aisle aircraft, Aer Lingus have configured it in a way that still keeps comfort in mind. Both cabins are excellent and perfectly adequate for long-haul flights, for the various features every seat has, as well as the wide selection of movies and games on the IFE. The additional legroom given compared to a short-haul aircraft means there really is no difference between these A321s and the larger A330s that Aer Lingus commonly use on their transatlantic flights. But if you don't think it's enough, then I'm sure the business class cabin is well worth the extra money. Thanks very much for watching today's review. I hope that you enjoyed and found it useful. And if you have, I'd appreciate it if you could leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel, and I'll continue posting these reviews. With that in mind, look out for both the full departure and arrival videos from this flight up on my channel soon. But until next time, thanks again, take care and happy flying.